Introducing the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones in the limited edition blue dusk finish, a perfect harmony of cutting-edge noise cancellation, wireless convenience, and premium comfort. Engineered by one of the most trusted names in audio, these over-ear headphones are designed for listeners who demand both performance and elegance. At the heart of the QuietComfort experience is world-class active noise cancellation, powered by Bose's custom-tuned digital signal processing and proprietary acoustic architecture. Whether you're commuting, working, or simply relaxing, these headphones effectively block out external noise with adjustable ANC levels, allowing you to tailor your sound environment to your preference. The blue dusk colorway offers a refreshing, sleek alternative to traditional black or silver, making a subtle yet stylish statement. The build quality is equally impressive. Crafted with plush ear cushions, a softly padded headband, and a lightweight yet durable frame that ensures hours of fatigue-free listening. These headphones are not only about looks and comfort, they deliver deep, rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, creating a balanced audio signature ideal for every genre. From orchestral to hip-hop, connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring stable, lag-free pairing with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Multi-point connectivity lets you switch between two devices without the hassle of disconnecting and reconnecting. With up to 24 hours of battery life on a single charge, the QuietComfort headphones easily support long-haul travel, extended workdays, or binge-watching sessions. And if you're ever low on power, a quick 15-minute charge gives you up to 2.5 hours of playback. Calls are handled with impressive clarity thanks to the built-in beam-forming microphone array, which actively filters out background noise so your voice comes through crisp and clear, perfect for meetings, calls, or voice assistant use. Speaking of assistants, you can access Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa with a simple tap or voice command, adding convenience to your daily tasks. Bose also includes a companion app that allows you to fine-tune EQ settings, manage connected devices, and personalize controls. The headphones are foldable for easy portability and come with a matching compact carrying case that protects them on the go. The limited edition Blue Dusk variant not only sets you apart visually but also reinforces that this is more than just a pair of headphones, it's a lifestyle statement backed by industry-leading tech. Whether you're a casual listener, a remote professional, or an audiophile who values clarity and silence, the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth headphones offer a blend of premium acoustics, long-lasting comfort, and unmatched noise cancellation. This Blue Dusk edition brings luxury to life, one note at a time.